The new channel. Hashtag TNC Now.
The views, opinions, and insights expressed in the following shows are those of the host, producers, guests, and viewers. They do not necessarily reflect the position of the channel. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hello everyone and welcome to the new channel. This is Apple Manansala. We are here to provide you new things, most especially in this. I'm sure you've waited so long for this show, the TNC Online PressCon, and we are graced with someone all the way from Singapore for today. She is the founder and CEO of Customized Training Solutions, Asia's most trusted customized solutions provider. Her experience in sales and marketing, customer service, events management, operations, and training production is really vast. Her clients include Ayala Group, Aboitiz Power, Brunei Shell, Meralco, Petronas, Sony, just to name a few. Her goal is to be able to serve and provide revolutionary solutions to clients towards holistic, impactful transformation that leads to sustainable business success. We are very honored to present to you and to welcome on the new channel, Miss Marilyn Ramos Velasco.
Hello, everyone. Hi, Apple. Thank you for the introduction, and I'm glad to be here today.
Thank you so much, Marilyn, for having us also become part of the major event that you are announcing to everyone online today. So I know that you're in Singapore. How are you?
I'm doing great. Still sunny, a little bit turning to cloudy, but overall, I'm doing great. Thank you for asking.
So there is a very good news that you're going to share with us, right? Can you tell us about this upcoming event happening this March here in the Philippines? And I know you're flying, right?
Exactly. I'm flying all the way to Singapore just to implement this event. And I'm very grateful that this is finally happening this March 5 to 6. And the event name is 2025 Cyber Resilience Summit. And this year's theme is delivering competitive advantage through security. So we're hosting this event. But the good news is that we'll be bringing together top cybersecurity experts, government officials, and industry leaders in this platform to explore cutting-edge strategies for strengthening cyber resilience. So this will be for 2 days, again, 5 to 6. And what I'm really proud of about the summit is that it focuses on holistic approach, integrating people, processes, and technology to ensure business continuity and long-term resilience. So yeah, that's about the event.
Have you been doing this event for a while now, Marilyn? How long have you been doing this cyber resilience event?
Doing events for the last over 10 years as Customized Training Solutions Private Limited, doing events like in-house programs, trainings, summits, both virtually and in person for the last 10 years. And of course, I was an events provider and events manager as well in hotels in the past 15 years before I started my own business. So last year, we've actually managed to run a virtual summit on cyber resilience with participants from all around the globe. So yes, this is the first in the Philippines, and we're doing it hybrid this time.
Can you tell us a little bit more about the event being hybrid, no? Like, what's the dynamics of that? So that for the interest of those who are watching us, they can understand how we actually do hybrid setup right now in 2025.
When I say hybrid, we intended to have all the speakers in person, to be exact, because for me, it just makes more sense that there will be opportunities for networking. So our 50 speakers, or probably will be more, will be in Crown Plaza Manila Galleria for the event. But because I also would like to accommodate more participants who cannot make it for the whole 2 days, and some of them, as you know, like Philippines is like quite huge compared to, especially compared to Singapore, right, where not everyone can actually fly into Metro Manila. So we decided to actually come up with virtual options as well, so we can accommodate more. At the same time, we also have like international attendees. Interestingly, I do have like, I'm getting quite a bit of virtual registrations from the US and other countries. So yeah.
That's interesting. And can you walk us through a little bit on what would be the experience of those who are joining virtually this year? So obviously there is one event that's happening in the Philippines, which is face to face, which people can participate, right? And then there's a virtual component. So can you like at least walk us through what's that experience will be like?
So using Zoom events, we will also have the usual virtual booths that they can visit. They can also download all the material. The entire event will be recorded. So on stage, which your team will actually help me to. So they will have generally the same experience in terms of getting the knowledge, skills, and sharing from our speakers online. Of course, it's definitely a different experience, but again, having said that, they still, of course, we will still engage our online participants or virtual participants, despite of they are not present in the venue. But what I can promise them is that they will still have all the amazing contents similar to what we have created in last year's virtual summit.
Wow, that sounds really interesting, no? Kasi that's been the difference of the events these days, no? They really tend to become hybrid, and we also support that on TNC. And of course, as you said, TNC will be participating, TNC will be helping you with the documentation, and we're also one of the media partners. So it's really an honor for us to participate on this. Especially, you said this is sort of like the first time again, I think, now after pandemic, that something similar is happening. So what is the impact of this seminar or engagement, no, for those who are attending and for those who will be able to reach the kind of content that we're creating, Marilyn?
From last year's comment, they were amazed with the content, how there were like case studies, how there are a lot of practical solutions, practical tips that they have received from there, no. And now we have even strengthened it because all the events that I do are backed with research. So I have done like over 20 plus conversations with CISOs around the globe, so they can be sure that these conversations and what they will actually learn from on this event are very practical, because most of my speakers are CXOs. For those who doesn't understand that's these are like C-levels, mainly, of course, chief information security officers, chief information officers, chief technology officers, aside from company owners, community leaders, as well as even board members are actually having conversation around cyber resilience. Because at the end of the day, if like the audience are not aware yet, I mean, cybersecurity and cyber resilience goes hand in hand, but cyber resilience focuses more on recovery and bouncing back. So I would say that cyber resilience is really about business continuity and business resilience as well. So that's what they would expect, because what makes us different when we organize events as well, it's not really a vendor presentation, and I'm proud of that. It's really more educational and empowering.
Wow, that, I guess that's all information we needed, no, for for the watchers, for the listeners of the new channel to really fully be engaged. Unfortunately, we can't live stream this publicly, the event, but we have a few clips to show you so that you can register, right? And we can invite Marilyn to tell everybody about the expectations on the date, where the event will be happening, and how you guys will be able to register. So Marilyn, please do the honor of inviting the people who have not yet heard of this, because I'm seeing a lot of ads online already, but I'm sure they would want to be able to register from the links that we are going to send or to share for today's stream.
Thank you for that opportunity, Apple, to again share about this event. Because again, we cannot stress enough that cyber resilience or cyber threats that people or organizations are getting now are not just an IT issue. This is a business imperative, right? So for people, leaders, and organizations who wanted to ensure that they don't fail to adapt to the regulatory changes, third-party risk, AI-driven cyber attacks, and to ensure that they will still manage to have competitive advantage, we would really want to invite you to this particular event. These are and this is mostly designed for, of course, CISOs, IT security professionals, risk managers alike, and of course corporate leaders from varied industries, because again, it's kind of like difficult. This is one of the biggest challenge that the world is facing, not only in the Philippines to be exact, but again, as much as we can have like different stakeholders to be present there, the more perspective and the more value we get, because again, with this kind of challenge that we're facing, we need to work together, definitely, right? So how can you participate? Join us in the summit in person or virtually. We will flash the event. Oh yeah, the event posters are already here. You can just scan the QR code to register now. And for those who will see this interview, we're actually giving a special discount of 10% for those who are watching TNC. So just use the code TNC and you can already automatically get the discount, the 10% discount for yourself, whether it's a virtual or in person. So looking forward to see you and your friends or your colleagues in this event, and let's create collaborative solutions together.
Thank you so much, Marilyn. We're very, very honored again to have you on the show. We hope that you've learned something from this very quick interview with Marilyn. She's all the way from Singapore. She's coming here to the Philippines to obviously share the expertise that they're getting. And in fact, no fun fact for everybody, we've actually met during the AsiaTech event in the past year, to which we're also announcing on TNC, because I will be back for the 4th time, if I remember it correctly, this year in May. So Marilyn and I will also catch up there in Singapore this coming May for the AsiaTech Summit and Broadcast Asia 2025. So Marilyn, again, thank you so much. We look forward to seeing you. I'm sure in the coming days, you will be here in the Philippines already. And also, we'd like to take this opportunity to announce to everyone that this is not the only content that we will be releasing for the event. In partnership with Marilyn's company, we are going to release a few more content that will support the actionable programs that they are going to produce and that they're going to share with us from March 5 and onwards. So watch out for that as well. And obviously, it's going to be very, very important, not just to the CISO or to the C-suites in the companies, but it's also very important for common people to understand what cyber resilience and cyber security can do for your organization or for your businesses, may it be small, medium, or large scale. So again, Marilyn, thank you so much. Please do the final honor to invite everybody as we exit on this show.
Again, thank you so much, Apple, for this opportunity to share about the upcoming Cyber Resilience Summit. And again, if you would like to leverage on security to have competitive advantage in your businesses, to learn from some of the best cybersecurity providers, as well as experts, industry leaders in the Philippines and internationally, there's no way but to secure your spot today. And looking forward to seeing all of you at the Cyber Resilience Summit. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye, guys. See you online.
Bye for now. See you soon.